see you. Good to see you again. Well done. Oh, how are you? Up here. Absolutely.
Did I get you again, Frank?
Oh, nice.
It was only a few weeks. It was a few weeks ago we were together.
When was that? 3 weeks ago? No, no, it wasn't seriously. About a month ago. You straight from there, went up to the UNGA?
Yeah, well, I just
Then from
I saw
there,
you as I
went to Cuba.
speech. Yeah. Yes, I heard.
Yeah.
I could see you there at Cuba.
And we visited our medical students.
Yeah. How many do you have over there?
About 26 of them. Good.
Well, I hear our players have had a wonderful reception.
Yes, they did. When was that? Night before last.
And they visited a lot of the villages on the way down when they drove down.
Yes, yes.
Which was nice. It's lovely. Some of the boys who played down in the NRL, they've
John was talking about it.
Which is good for the opposition, but not very for the government.
very recently in Australia, and we were so pleased to be able to host you for that visit, and I was so pleased that it was such a great success. And indeed, we caught up again very briefly when we were in New York, and I congratulate you on your presentation to the General Assembly and the work that we do there. It's great to be here today, obviously, for the XIII match, which is the first time it's ever been held in Fiji, and I think that's a good symbol of the many firsts that you and I are being able to bring to the table, and how we're really progressing our relationship between Australia and Fiji, and both the Foreign Minister and the Minister for International Development of the Pacific. These connections are tremendous, and obviously one of the things that we've talked about before, which started when I first went to Vanuatu, and then we pursued together the changes we're making on kava to enable a greater personal allowance to be able to bring in. We're doubling that, and also engaging in the invitation trial, which pilot, I should say, that we discussed in Australia and here again today. So I think that's just a further demonstration of where we can move and where we can do more together. PACER Plus is also an important part of the relationship, where we work together, particularly on oceans, those environmental matters, whether it's through the PIF or the other forums in which we're part of, and particularly cracking down on illegal fishing, which is the fishing industry, the fisheries, whether it's to Fiji or across the Pacific. It's just such an important resource, both for livelihoods as well as for lifestyle, but also sustainment of so many communities right across the Pacific, no less so here than in Fiji, and we're very committed to supporting Fiji and right across the Pacific. The integrity of fisheries and the sustainability of the fisheries, it's so important to the economy, but also peoples everywhere. So it's great to be here. I'm looking forward to the game later today. Commiserations on the early departure out of the Rugby World Cup, but the Fiji boys, I thought, played stunning, particularly in that last game against Wales. We both went down to Wales, disappointingly, but I reckon both of us had the better of the game and deserved to win. So we will now play on in Fiji's honour. We will. To defend Fiji's honour. So
the Australians are betting us Wales is the Six Nations champion, but they played a great game always. But thank you, Prime Minister, for coming over and spending a few moments with us. We're certainly looking forward to the Rugby League game. And thank you for this announcement on kava. The whole of Fiji is waiting for it. The other issue that we talked about, I will tell my permanent secretary to again update you, especially the one on the fishing board. But the illegal fishing, we need to take care of that. That's been outstanding for a while. But, welcome. Let me ask the Minister for Defence to say grace around here.
Thank you. That's great.